You probably already have these two ingredients in your kitchen. But did you know they could help reduce pain, fight inflammation, slow aging, and even help protect against cancer? Today, we're diving into two powerful kitchen staples, ginger and turmeric, and what modern science has uncovered about their impressive health benefits. Hi, I'm Dr. Hashemipour, and welcome to my channel where we connect holistic and traditional wisdom with modern medical insight. In this video, I'll show you how two common spices, often used in cooking, actually have remarkable effects on your joints, brain, heart, and even your DNA. Let's start with turmeric. This golden orange root, often seen in Indian, Middle East, and Southeast Asian cuisine, contains a compound called curcumin, and that's where most of its power lies. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory, one of the strongest found in nature. It calms the body's inflammatory response, which is linked to so many chronic diseases, from arthritis to heart disease. It's also antioxidant, meaning it helps protect your DNA from damage. When DNA is harmed by stress, toxins, or poor diet, it can mutate, and that can increase the risk of cancer. Curcumin helps guard your DNA, keeping your cells healthier for longer. There's even evidence that curcumin can slow down cellular aging by protecting the ends of your DNA strands, your telomeres, which naturally shorten as we age. Now let's talk about ginger, another powerful root with a very different flavor but equally amazing health benefits. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Like turmeric, it can reduce pain and inflammation, especially in joints. Many people with arthritis or chronic pain use ginger in their food or as tea to help manage symptoms. But gingerol does more than ease discomfort. It also supports cardiovascular health by improving blood flow and helping regulate cholesterol levels. Some studies suggest it may even reduce the growth of abnormal blood vessels that feed tumors, a process called anti-angiogenesis. And just like turmeric, ginger supports brain health, helping to reduce oxidative stress and possibly slowing down age-related cognitive decline. What's even more exciting? Ginger and turmeric work even better together. When combined, their anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects are amplified, especially helpful for people with chronic inflammation, arthritis, or early signs of cardiovascular disease. They can be added to food, smoothies, or taken as a tea, but even small amounts used regularly, like a teaspoon of turmeric and a slice of fresh ginger, can provide long-term benefits when part of a healthy lifestyle. You don't need to take expensive supplements of turmeric or ginger. These are everyday kitchen ingredients. I personally use them all the time. For example, when I make eggs for breakfast, I always add turmeric. Whenever I marinate meat, whether it's chicken or fish, I use both ginger and turmeric. And for soups? Absolutely. They go in every time. And in fact, in many cultures, these two ingredients are used regularly in traditional cuisine, not just for flavor, but often for their health benefits too. Want a pro tip? Use a spoon to peel ginger. It's faster and wastes less than using a knife. And with turmeric, add a pinch of black pepper to boost absorption, thanks to a compound in pepper called piperine. Let's take a quick moment to talk about why curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has captured so much scientific interest. First, curcumin is well known for its powerful anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving effects. Studies show that it works by blocking inflammatory pathways in the body, including cytokines like TNF-alpha and interleukin-6, or IL-6. These are proteins your immune system produces when there's an injury or infection. But when they stay elevated long-term, they can lead to chronic inflammation and even tissue damage. Curcumin also suppresses something called NF-kappa B, a master switch in the body that turns on many of these inflammatory signals. Now here's what's exciting. In clinical trials, curcumin has shown real results. In people with knee osteoarthritis, it significantly reduced joint pain. In fact, in some studies, It worked just as well as NSAIDs, but without the side effects. It's also been helpful in managing symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis by calming the inflammatory response. But the benefits don't stop there. Curcumin also has promising anti-cancer properties. Research suggests it can promote cancer cell death, reduce blood supply to tumors, and protect your DNA from damage, which is one of the first steps toward cancer development. Scientists are even studying curcumin as a potential companion to chemotherapy or radiation to boost their effects and reduce toxicity. Now, one important note. Curcumin has low natural bioavailability, meaning your body doesn't absorb it well. That's why newer formulations, like combining it with black pepper extract, piperine, or using liposomal or nanoparticle forms, are becoming more popular in supplements. So, while turmeric is not a miracle cure, the science behind curcumin is real and growing. It's one of those rare ingredients that's both traditional and evidence-based. So there you have it, 2 kitchen ingredients that are more than just flavor boosters. Ginger and turmeric are powerful tools that can help reduce pain, fight inflammation, protect your DNA, and support heart and brain health as you age. If you're a CAM provider, an integrative acupuncturist, or even a pain management doctor, it might be worth thinking about how these ingredients could support your patients, whether through diet, lifestyle guidance, or food as medicine strategies. If you're passionate about learning how evidence-based natural health and holistic approaches can support healing and disease prevention, be sure to subscribe and check out my upcoming programs. I'll be sharing much more. And let me know in the comments, do you already use turmeric or ginger in your meals, or have you recommended them to your patients? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.